video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 3 of C programming language, chapter number 1, introduction to programming in C language, and the topic we're going to discuss today is called programming basics. So let's start. Every programming language has some primitive building blocks and provides some rules in order to write an accurate program. This set of rules is known as syntax of the language. Syntax can be thought of as grammar of a programming language, while programming, if proper syntax or rules of the programming are not followed, the program does not get compiled. In this case, the compiler generates an error. This kind of errors are called syntax errors. Now I'll discuss one more topic which is very important: reserved words. So let's discuss these reserved words in C language, and they are every programming language has a list of words that are predefined. Each word has its specific meaning already known to the compiler. These words are known as reserved words or keywords. If a programmer gives them a definition of his own, it causes a syntax error. The below table shows reserved words in C programming language. So we're going to draw a table. We'll go to the insert and go to the table and then draw a table of 4 columns. Like this. First we type the name of the keyword auto and then double integer int, struct, break, else, long, switch, case, enum, register, type, def, chr for character, extern, return, union, constructor, const, float, short, unsigned, continue, for, signed, void, default, go to, size of, volatile, do if, static, and in the end while. So you can see these are all the reserved words. So I'm gonna actually use C is case sensitive language, so I'm gonna make all of them in small case. That is the best way to represent all these characters, which are called keywords or the reserved words in C language. Now we'll discuss structure of a C program after discussing the reserved words, which are the predefined words. We will discuss the structure so we'll discuss very important. You should know the structure of the C program. We can understand the structure of a C language program by observing the program written. We can see that the program can be divided into three main parts. We talk about C language, it has three main parts. The first part is called the link section or header section. While writing programs in C language, we make extensive use of functions that are already defined in the language. But before using the existing functions, we need to include the files where these functions have been defined. So these are actually defined by the developer of C language. These files are called header files. We include these header files in our program by writing the include statements at the top of program. So the general structure of an include statement is as follows. Actually, first we need to type the hash symbol and then type include and then type header file, whatever the name of the file, we will include it over here. Here, header file name can be the name of any header file. So if we include stdio.h as a header file in a C program that contains information related to input and output functions, many other header files are also available. For example, file math.h contains all predefined mathematics functions. So this is today we have discussed the link section, which is the first section of the structure of a C program. There are actually three main parts. In our next video we will discuss all other second and third main parts of structure of a C programming language. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.